Flowers are the reproductive structures of flowering plants, angiosperms. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, captivating humans with their beauty and playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Flowers have been admired for their aesthetic value and used in cultural, religious, and medicinal contexts throughout history. Diversity. There are approximately 400,000 species of flowering plants, each with unique characteristics and adaptations to their environment. Color variations. The wide range of flower colors is due to pigments like chlorophyll, carotenoids, and anthocyanins. These pigments attract pollinators and can change with the pH of the soil. Symbiotic relationships. Many flowers have evolved to form symbiotic relationships with specific pollinators, such as bees, butterflies, birds, and bats. For example, the shape and color of some flowers are specifically adapted to attract their preferred pollinators. Adaptations. Flowers have evolved various adaptations to maintain their beauty and attract pollinators. Bright colors, appealing scents, and symmetrical shapes are some adaptations that make flowers visually attractive. Pigmentation. The vibrant colors of flowers are due to pigments like anthocyanins, carotenoids, and flavonoids. These pigments can change in response to environmental factors, ensuring that the flower remains attractive. Structural integrity. The structure of a flower, including its petals, sepals, and reproductive organs, is designed to withstand environmental conditions while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Nectar production. Flowers produce nectar to attract pollinators. This not only helps in reproduction, but also keeps the flower vibrant and healthy. Pollination. Flowers are essential for the pollination process, which is critical for the reproduction of many plants. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds transfer pollen from one flower to another, enabling fertilization and the production of seeds. Biodiversity. Flowers contribute to biodiversity by supporting a wide range of pollinators and other wildlife. They provide food and habitat for insects, birds, and small mammals. Ecosystem services. Flowers and the plants they are part of offer numerous ecosystem services, including soil, health. Plant roots help prevent soil erosion and improve soil structure. Water cycle. Plants play a role in the water cycle through transpiration and precipitation. Air quality. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving air quality. Cultural and aesthetic value. Flowers enhance the beauty of natural and human-made environments, contributing to mental well-being and cultural traditions. They are used in art, literature, celebrations, and religious ceremonies. Economic value. The floral industry, including horticulture, floristry, and landscaping, is a significant economic sector. Flowers are cultivated and traded worldwide, providing livelihoods for millions of people. Conclusion. Flowers are more than just beautiful additions to our gardens and landscapes. They play a vital role in the environment by supporting pollination, maintaining biodiversity, and providing ecosystem services. Their fascinating growth process and adaptations ensure that they remain attractive and functional in their ecological roles. Appreciating the importance of flowers helps us understand their contribution to the health of our planet and the well-being of its inhabitants.